Join the conversation with the Morning Majlis. Pulse 95.
Join the conversation with the Morning Majlis, and we're talking all things plastic surgery. Back in the days when I was growing up, I thought plastic surgery was very similar to the movie Face Off, where I could be John Travolta or Nicolas Cage. It could be anyone. I could change my face to become an actor. That's what I thought when I was growing up. But then we realized what plastic surgery is, and if you had any vague interpretations of what it was or are planning on getting plastic surgery done, then do get involved on the text lines 42115, because guys, we have a very, very important guest with us this morning.
Absolutely.
There we go.
We do, Abdul Karim. We've got with us, joining us in the studio is Dr. Noh. And last week, the University Hospital in Sharjah announced that it is introducing an advanced technology center for plastic surgery and bringing to the UAE one of South Korea's most famous plastic surgeons, Dr. Noh, who's been known for his leading methods and unique abilities to perform complex surgery. So welcome to the program. Glad to have you with us.
Salam alaikum.
Salam alaikum, Dr. Noh.
Hello, good morning.
It's a pleasure to have you with us.
Yeah, I'm Dr. Noh. I'm first Korean plastic surgeon in UAE. People here call me Dr. Noah.
Yes.
Yeah, I started my clinic in University Hospital of Sharjah only 1 week ago. But I have enjoyed a lot. Thank you for your invitation.
Thank you so much for being with us, Dr. Noh. And Dr. Noh, we want to start talking about the increasing necessity of having plastic surgery and reconstructive surgery in every hospital nowadays. So can you comment on that?
Being more beautiful is the desire for all women and even for men these days. Therefore, the increasing needs of having plastic and reconstructive surgery department in hospital is very, very natural. Korea is very famous for the best plastic surgery. I also have treated a lot of other patients in Korea. However, it is very difficult to travel outside the country due to COVID-19. So people look for the proper treatment and medical service in the nation. Also, I think this region has also very high demand in plastic surgery caused by accident, trauma cases, and congenital lesions. It is very important to get treatment on time. That is why I think there will be more plastic and reconstructive surgery department in hospitals in UAE.
Yeah.
And can you talk to us about the relationship between plastic surgeries and medical tourism?
Those who look for plastic surgery can be described as very trendy, fashionable, enjoying the attention. So they prefer to get plastic surgery in the countries or cities where they can enjoy these services. Korea has a good infrastructure for shopping, tourism, advanced techniques, and cultural differences experience. That is one of the reasons why Korea attracts many foreign patients as medical tourism. Like I said, Korea is very famous in the world for the best plastic surgery and the advanced beauty industry. I think UAE can be a good medical tourism destination. UAE is well connected worldwide by flights and has good shopping malls, beach, and hospitality system. I will make UHS as a hub of medical tourism.
Well, let's start talking about the most popular plastic surgeries that happen here in the UAE and in South Korea. And you're very fond of the patients over here in terms of what's going on.
There are two procedures really popular in UAE: facial anti-aging and body contouring. I expected this even before I came to UAE, but it turns out really true. Most of the patients want to have a younger looking face. This is anti-aging, and this is worldwide fashion. So they want to remove their wrinkles and lift up the drooping facial skin. Also, so many patients ask for body contouring, simply called tummy tuck, which is abdominoplasty and the liposuction in abdomen area. This is due to multiple delivery and obesity.
Yeah.
I can say facial anti-aging and body contouring is my specialty. I have done this so many times, and I can bring the best result also here for Arab patients.
Yeah.
And can you talk to us more about the University Hospital Sharjah's plastic surgery department and what you expect to offer there for patients here in the country?
I just started by plastic surgery clinic in UHS. It has been only 1 week, but already my clinic is very busy and fully booked. The hospital has received the patients' feedback after my clinic. Most of them said they are very satisfied already. I get very good support from the hospital and Dr. Ali. She's the CEO in UHS.
Yeah.
But there are some medical equipments I need to perform more advanced procedures. So then I can satisfy more patients with various needs.
Now, the big question is that everyone would like to ask is, and Ahmed Dawood asked you this earlier as well, is plastic surgery dangerous? Because everyone's very scared about it. What's your thoughts and opinion on that?
Oh, sorry.
It's okay, you can take it
It
off.
is not working, sorry.
The headset is not working.
Okay.
Oh, sorry.
So the question we'd like to ask you is plastic surgery dangerous? Because some people get very confused about it.
First time is very, very scared.
Scary.
Yeah,
Yeah.
scary.
Yeah.
But if you believe the doctor's advice and real recommendation, you can do, and you can expect your own satisfaction. Okay,
Yeah,
so don't worry about it.
Yeah.
Okay, please come to my clinic.
So,
I will give you good recommendation.
another question, as we asked you earlier as well in the break, there's some people that come to you and they say, I want surgery. I want you to do the surgery.
Yeah.
But you, as a doctor, when you look at that person, you're like, this person doesn't need a surgery.
Yeah.
Do you go by the patient's desire, or do you actually give your true recommendation?
Yeah.
You say, like, you don't need surgery.
Yes,
Don't do it.
Yes. I think being honest and getting truth is important. I think so. So usually I give two options. One is invasive surgery. Second one is non-invasive technique.
Non-invasive,
procedure, simple procedure. So
you do both.
Yes. So usually patients can make a choice per treatment.
Yeah.
Okay.
Can you elaborate a little bit more on that? Like, what reason is not acceptable for a plastic surgery? When exactly would you say no? If you could give us something along those lines.
Like maybe if a patient is too skinny and there's
it's
no...
up to in plastic surgery, most important thing is patient's needs.
Yeah.
Do you want it? It is most important question. So usually I usually give the options to patient's needs. That's all. It is not my selection. Okay, only recommendation. What do you think about your face? What do you think about your wrinkled body? It is most important.
And one last question. Can you talk to us about developments and the way the profession has evolved, especially in your field, managing excess body weight, for example? Can you talk to us about how the technology has evolved over the past few years, how things have changed for the better?
Became better technology, right?
Yeah. As you know, in Korea, any woman, do you know K-pop?
Yes, K-pop.
Yeah, of course.
K-pop is a worldwide fashion, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
So everybody can see the K-pop star in the TV.
Yeah.
They are very slim and V-line, right?
Yeah.
So in Korea, many Korean plastic surgeon and the dermatologist can develop their skill for slimmed neckline and V-line shaped face and very slim body.
Yeah.
So every day we study about it very hard. Every day. So we every day we are gathering for conversation and knowledge.
Yeah.
It is our skill in Korean
So
plastic
people
surgery.
come to you and they say we want to look like K-pop, for example, right?
Yeah.
So you want to make them look like K-pop?
Yeah, K-pop star, right? Like
For example?
K-pop, yeah. It's
Like one of the
possible.
K-pop
Yeah, it is possible,
guys.
but case by case.
Case by case, yeah. But you see a lot of those people that come to you.
Yeah.
They're like, I want to look like a woman comes to you and says, I want to look like, for example, Kim Kardashian.
yeah.
You get that a lot, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But sometimes I can give her the realized thinking.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is I can, but this is not. I cannot do.
Yeah.
Can I look like Ryan Gosling? Is that okay?
You are handsome already.
There we go. Well, it was worth a try, wasn't it? But no, but it was very good to have you here with us, Dr. Hyung Joo Noh. And I want to get a little bit more information. Lastly, before we do head off, how do you like Sharjah? What do you see in Sharjah? What's your favorite thing? Because you're now based here.
You stay here 3 weeks every month, right?
Yes. 3
Wow.
weeks in UHS and 1 week Korea.
Wow.
So
Yeah.
Sharjah for you.
He must have really good air miles. You must have very good discounts.
She
Thank
just
you.
said it takes 9 hours to get to Korea.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I'm
all
so
flights.
tired, but I think this is my duty in UAE. So I will give you best service, medical service to UAE patient. I will do my best. Please
So
come
you
to
like
my clinic.
But you do like Sharjah, right? You're staying here in Sharjah,
Yeah.
and you like it?
Yeah, I like it. A very, very peaceful place. Yeah. So I love it.
Very good.
Awesome.
Well,
Okay.
all the very best for your work. One last question, because there's so much to talk with you about. How do you think COVID-19 has had an impact on plastic surgery industry as a whole?
It's affected.
Are people scared now to get it done, or is this something that now we're getting used to it?
People are scared now to do surgery because of COVID-19, because of coronavirus, or they're still coming a lot?
Yeah. So we are isolated in UAE because of Corona-19. Yeah. So they are enough time. They have enough time, so they are concerned about their face and.
So they don't
body.
care. Like the patients are still coming.
Yeah.
So it did not really have
No
a big impact. No impact.
Yeah, no impact.
Oh,
That's very
okay.
good.
That's good.
Yeah, people are very confident.
Very
and
hopeful.
And really good to see how well the United Arab Emirates has been able to tackle this spread of COVID-19. Dr. Hyung Joo Noh, it was a pleasure to have you here with us, and we look forward to welcoming you again at some point soon.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much
Very
for being
good.
with us.
Well, that was a wonderful, fruitful discussion. Thank you for joining us. And if you like, thank you for all your texts as well. And we'll be right back after a bit of a short musical interval right here on the Morning Majlis.
If you liked this episode of the Morning Majlis, drop a like and subscribe.
95.
Be sure to follow us on Instagram for all our daily updates and top stories.
Bubbles.